India deploys aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya in Arabian Sea amid China-Pak naval drill. Top officials of the naval headquarters were on board the aircraft carrier when it was deployed in the strategic mission earlier this week. Pakistan and China on Monday launched a major drill in the North Arabian Sea with an aim to increase interoperability and strategic cooperation between their two navies. The exercise Sea Guardians is taking place in the midst of heightened tension between India and Pakistan over the Kashmir issue. Key platforms of both China and Pakistan, including submarines, destroyers and frigates, are part of the exercise. The Russian origin ship is often called a floating airfield. The 44,500 ton is about 284 meters long and its height is around 60 meters, which is like a 20-storied building from keel to the highest point. The INS Vikramaditya, commissioned into the Indian Navy in November 2013, is considered one of the top-rated aircraft carriers globally. India hopes that the latest U.S. sanctions on Iran would bypass the Chabahar port, which is crucial to India's geopolitical and commercial interests in the region. In the past, the U.S. has shown understanding on the importance of Chabahar project and its importance to provide continuous connectivity to Afghanistan. The port in the Sistan-Balochistan province of the energy-rich nation lies outside the Persian Gulf and is easily accessible from India's western coast. While it provides an alternate access to landlocked Afghanistan, New Delhi intends to use the gateway for increased trade with Central Asian nations. India's lack of electronics manufacturing ecosystem is hurting Isro's space plans. India's space agency planned to build as well as launch 17 homegrown satellites in 2019. It, however, managed to deliver only about half due to a shortage of electronics parts. Over 80% of electronics components are imported. Carbon composites are sourced from only one Japanese company. India is a big importer of electronics primarily because the homegrown industry is virtually absent. In fiscal year 2019, India's electronics imports stood at $55.6 billion. New advanced, anti-cut fence to be installed at India-Bangladesh border. The government is in the process of replacing the old fence in the India-Bangladesh border areas. According to sources, the new fencing is advanced and hard to cut, which will make it hard for infiltrators to cross the border. The project is 14 rupees, 30 crores along 7.18 kilometers of the border fence, which roughly comes to 1.99 crore for 1 kilometer of fencing. Isro released the first images from CARTOSAT-3 covering the entire region of Qatar. The high-resolution images covered three main areas of Qatar: the Khalifa International Stadium, Palm City Gardens 2 and the Old Doha Airport. CARTOSAT-3 satellite is a third-generation Agile advanced satellite having high-resolution imaging capability. The satellite was placed in an orbit of 509 kilometers at an inclination of 97.5 degrees. Isro has said, this was the 74th launch vehicle mission from SDSC Shahar, Sriharikota.